Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the screen edge swipe on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back or registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select file and then export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select file and then import and then navigate to the file location. So now that that's out of the way, we're ready to begin, and we're going to start off by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder, and same thing now for policies. So double click on that. Microsoft's, double click on it. Double click on the Windows folder, and there should be an Edge UI folder. If you do not see one in here, right click on the Windows folder, select new, and then key, and then you want to name it Edge UI, like you see it on my screen. And then on the right panel, on the blank area on the right side, right click on a blank area, select new, and then select the word 32-bit value. Name this value allow Edge swipe. Exactly how you see it on my screen. I'll zoom in a little bit as well so you can see it clearly. So again, allow edge swipe, double click on it, and you want to set it to 0 if you want to disable the edge swipe, and then you would select OK. And then once you're done with that, you will need to close out of the registry editor, and you will need to restart your computer in order for the changes to take effect. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. The edge swipe should be disabled at this point. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.